They say that money doesn't grow on trees. But guess what I just found? A unique technique to make an additional $1,000 as much as $5,000 from multiple passive income streams, siphoning money into your account on total autopilot every day. And that's the closest point to having a license to printing money. It's mind-blowing. Yet right here is the catch. If you don't watch the video and follow my simple guidelines, you wind up making no money in any way. And that's simply the harsh truth. But before we start, welcome to our channel and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any concerns, questions or opinions about the video, leave a comment down below. Now let's start the video. Many people will close the video or skip ahead and miss out on the vital step that might make them financially free. I don't desire that to take place for you. What you are about to see in this short video can change every little thing for you. So get ready since this is going to be exciting. Now take a look at this. It is reddit.com and this is the website that we are most likely to be making use of today to generate income online. I am going to reveal to you the first website right here on kickbooster.me. On this website, you can locate many various projects that you can join and start gaining daily commissions on the internet. Take a look at this, how Kickbooster worked for affiliate marketers as you can see here. Step number 1, you need to sign up. Now you are going to click on Become a Booster button listed below. It takes less than 2 minutes to sign up as well as it's completely free. You don't need any money or utilize any credit cards to do this. And I will reveal to you in simply a moment exactly how to sign up. Going on to step number 2, you are going to pick a project. And not worry. If you keep watching, I will reveal exactly how to choose the highest earning project you should concentrate on. And you can make a lot of cash specifically when you combine this website right here with reddit.com. It's much easier than you think. Now you can check out this marketplace of hundreds and thousands of different projects to choose the projects you intend to promote. And also when you promote them, step number 3, you can spread the word, indicating you can share this unique booster web link as well as you can start earning commission. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel. Now let's return to the video. So first I'm going to sign up for a free account. When you come onto the official website, click this button right here. And after that, you are going to come onto this web page, which you can see right here, kickbooster.me. Now, there are 2 categories that you have to pick. You need to choose Affiliates Marketer, where we can gain commission. All you are most likely to do is to go ahead and click this right here. Enter your name. I am most likely to place in my username and then my email address. After that, choose your referral code. It is essential because this code right here will be unique to you. For me, I'm going to place Sophia Adams and this is my referral code. So proceed and place in the password and click on this and after that click submit. It's a very simple process. It would take you about 1 to 2 minutes to do this. Once more, I will show you everything step by step in this video so that I can conserve you a great deal of time and don't need to go via the training anymore. As you can see here, when I log in inside the account in kickbooster.me, you can go ahead and click the marketplace. Click the marketplace and you are visiting a featured project that can find various projects and campaigns that you can promote and enhance. It implies that you can get your link and after that you are most likely to share them on reddit.com. After that, we will certainly begin generating income and also gaining commission. So be sure you keep watching to discover everything. So right over below, you can see that there are several categories. For example, design, everyday carry. There are so many points that can be advertised as well as earn money on this opportunity. So right over here, you can see short buy, When you click the down arrow here, you can sort by most funded, finishing quickly, or appoint it from high to low. I will certainly choose our latest choice for my method, since when we arrange by our latest pick, we can see the top recommended program by this website on the marketplace. Because this is the hottest offer, or this is one of the most suggested offer. And that's most likely to assist you to save a lot of cash without having to do your research. And also, you can quickly locate the very best, greatest earning campaign to promote them and gain a lot of money quickly, immediately. Right over here, you can see that there are hundreds and also hundreds of campaigns that you can choose from. So, I'm going to provide you a real example of exactly how to do this. First of all, I want you to drop below and click Boost this campaign. Click on this link below and then you are most likely to come onto this web page. Now you can advertise this campaign, and after that you can make a 10% commission and be rewarded with a 10% commission that you get pledged for this campaign. When you scroll down below, you can see share your project URL. It's most likely to be the link that you need to share on Reddit, and after that you can generate income online. And I will reveal to you all the steps in this video. Again, go on and highlight everything and also copy this link. Or you can click this little icon right here as well as it's reveal copied. Copy the link as well as we will be using it later this video, since I will show you exactly how to use them on reddit.com. Yet once again, I will reveal to you when people click on this link, they will most likely to go onto this page, which you can see right here. You can see that they have over $300,000 currently being gathered on this campaign, indicating this is working now and you are able to make a great deal of money by promoting the same project. So whenever you share this campaign and whenever you share this web link and when people click on your referral link, they will ultimately come over to the website and watch this video. If they are interested, they will go ahead and click this green button here, back this project, and also they will certainly desire it. Yet their money for the project, for example $15, $100, $500 and more. So, as you can see here, you will certainly be rewarded with 10% commission for every single dollar that you help them raise for the campaign. Currently, what I want to do is to go on to reddit.com and then you are most likely to click this blue button which says sign up. You will appear on this page. So, you need to put in your email address right here and click the following button right over here. We can start posting on the Reddit website. You can get numerous votes, many clicks and so many views on your post. Now when you go onto the search bar, I desire you to enter a keyword mobile phone. And also you can press the search button right away. We are going to concentrate on the smartphone category because there are so many different communities, as you can see right here. For example, this one is the technology community as well as this one is Android, and also this one here is iPhone community with over 2 million members, and also right here over 8 million participants. You are going to get many views and so many clicks on your campaign and on your unique referral link. As well as when people click on your web link, they will discuss it right here as well as look through the web pages, watch the video and then put in their money right into the fund to support a campaign. You want 10% of a commission by doing that. So right now, I will offer you my personal supercharged Reddit post that you can place in Reddit. Copy as well as paste. So as you can see right here, it's Reddit post number 1. You can essentially copy whatever in this campaign and just put in the last link right here. Also, this is where you are going to place your link. So keep in mind, this is your unique campaign web link. You have to copy this web link or click that copy button and you can go back to your Reddit post, this template right here. When you scroll down below, you need to place in your link and delete this one and put in your link right here. It's as simple as that. Currently, as you can see here, this is your referral code. When people click on this link, they are going to come onto this web page. When people purchase something on this campaign, you can make 10% of the commission. You can see below that there are so many projects that you can join on the Kickbooster website and they are absolutely free. You can earn a lot of commission over and over again. Specifically, when you combine this with a Reddit technique to get free targeted traffic to click your link. Currently, this is an extremely powerful community where you can utilize my script. Change it to your unique URL link. You are going to get so many clicks and so several views, and you can gain a lot of commissions online. And that's it. As always, thank you for watching. I hope you get some value out of this video, and that's it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell, hit the like button, and I will see you in some of my following videos.